So here on Ethereum, this is just a baby, but this, just like Bitcoin, is pretty well extended from the 8. And this was much, here's your 8 down here, so you're very overbought here. This is a better location to be long. So still bullish on the monthly level. It's just, it is pretty extended. H-cash ICO. Interesting. Alright, go to the weekly level. Still on an uptrend. This weekly cycle is still coming down, so maybe Ethereum can pull back a little bit more. But still in an uptrend. Just like we have the fractal nature of the monthly to weekly level, that 30 on the monthly is down at 100. 30 on the weekly level. Sorry, the 8 on the monthly is down at 100. 30 here is down at 100. But we'll see. Again, it's these higher lows that matter. So if we take out 200, then we'll look for a move to 100. But in the meantime, this can easily just hold the 8 and continue back up. Daily cycles kind of turning back down. You can see here pi and the 200 all in that same area, down around 100. This low is going to really matter, down at 205. On the 4-hour, can I stretch this? There we go. The 4-hour, you can see we're holding pi, guys, twice, kind of similar to Bitcoin. So here, as we leak into pi, like, probably should nibble a little bit. This 4-hour cycle is pretty low. There's a good rhythm here. All right, so if you're buying last time down here, we took some profit into these highs. I bought again down here, and I added here on this side of this cycle. Didn't really get the follow through. So we're coming back into pi again. I think I'm going to nibble again this morning. And if we see if we get the move back towards 300, but I think we should add some back there for those of you that are on the crypto team. I'll probably do that. On the 1-hour, we're in the southern hemisphere. Here, I'm looking at Euro Yen real quick. It's not really doing anything. Yeah, so look at that. See that this pi area on the hourly tells you to be taking profit for sure. That's pretty interesting. Failure, huh? And then let's look at it versus Bitcoin. It's going to be telling us the same thing. Should be buying. So when you put the two against each other, you're right back at pi here. So Ethereum was overbought relative to Bitcoin up here. Now it's oversold. The cycle's low on the daily, on the 4-hour. So I'm gonna be nibbling there, buying some back.